Hello and welcome to my class. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most famous men's movements in Ukrainian dance. I am sure you've seen it many times, especially in the Hopak. This movement is called Cabriole. It's a jump from one leg while the other leg opens as high as possible. In the air, both legs come together in a turned out position, briefly joining and then open again. Before you start, make sure you are properly warmed up and that your muscles are ready for jumping. Preparation. I recommend starting this movement using a bar or any stable support. The technique is very similar to the Hopak movement, so if you already know Hopak, you're halfway to mastering Cabriole. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with the Batman. Then continue with the combination Batman, Passe, Batman. Step 2. Now try the same combination with a jump. Begin with the Batman, then jump while closing the working leg into Passe. Step 3. Next, carefully try to bring both legs together in the air, creating a light flap with your feet. Focus on timing and control. Step 4. When you feel confident and your jump is high enough, start practicing with the bar using both hands, then one hand. After that, you can try the movement without the bar. Arm position in the air. The right arm is bent at the elbow, with the fist on the hip. The left arm is straight and open to the diagonal. Step 5. Preparation for repetition. To repeat this movement smoothly, you need to add a preparation. Step onto the leg that performed the Batman. Then step onto the left leg and strike it straight into a diagonal, slightly to the back. Make a plie on the right leg. Both arms are brought toward the body and slightly behind. They help create a strong swing for a higher and more powerful jump. Practice this movement gradually. Focus on clean technique and enjoy the power and character of Ukrainian dance.